Tesla's financial performance. Tesla's paid-in capital makes up the accumulated deficit to maintain its operation. Tesla, Inc., formerly Tesla Motors, Inc., is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Palo Alto, California. The company specializes in electric vehicle manufacturing, battery energy storage from home to grid scale, and, through its acquisition of SolarCity, solar panel and solar roof tile manufacturing. Tesla operates multiple production and assembly plants, such as its main vehicle manufacturing facility at Tesla Factory in Fremont, California, Giga Nevada near Reno, Nevada, Giga New York in Buffalo, New York, and Giga Shanghai in Shanghai, China. As of 2020, Tesla sells Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y 16 cars. Tesla also sells Powerwall, Powerpack, and Megapack batteries, solar panels, solar roof tiles, and some related products. Tesla Motors was founded in July 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. The company's name is a tribute to inventor and electrical engineer Nikola Tesla. The next three employees were Ian Wright, Elon Musk, and J.B. Straubel, all of whom are retroactively allowed to call themselves co-founders of the company. Musk, who formerly served as chairman and is the current CEO, said that he envisioned Tesla Motors as a technology company and independent automaker, aimed at eventually offering electric cars at prices affordable to the average consumer. In February 2017, Tesla Motors shortened its name to Tesla. After 11 years in the market, Tesla ranked as the world's best-selling plug-in as well as best-selling battery electric passenger car manufacturer by cars sold in 2019. Both as a brand and by Automotive Group, with a market share of 17% of the plug-in segment and 23% of the battery electric segment. Tesla global vehicle sales increased 50% from 245,240 units in 2018-24 to 367,849 units in 2019. On March 9, 2020, the company produced its 1 millionth electric car. 25 As of March 2020, the Model 3 ranks as the world's all-time best-selling plug-in electric car, with more than 500,000 delivered. 26. Tesla has never had a profitable year. However, it has had several individually profitable quarters, most recently the quarters ending September 2018, December 2018, September 2019, December 2019, and March 2020. 28. On June 10, 2020, Tesla reached a market capitalization of $90 billion. The Tesla show appeared to express some disbelief over the surge in the Palo Alto, California-based electric vehicle maker's share price, which crossed $1,000 for the first time ever on Wednesday. It has climbed 145% this year, making it the top performer on the Nasdaq. A keen observer noted Musk's tweet followed one by Bloomberg editor Joe Weisenthal, which showed Tesla's market value was nearing that of Toyota, the biggest automaker in the world. Tesla had a market capitalization of $190 billion at the close of trading on Wednesday, making it the world's second largest automaker by value. The company sold nearly 368,000 vehicles globally in its most recent fiscal year, and expects to sell more than 500,000 during the current year. By comparison, Toyota Motor Corp, which finished Wednesday at a market value of $216 billion, sold 8.96 million vehicles globally in its fiscal year ended March 31st. This isn't the first time Musk has expressed some dismay over the lofty valuation assigned to Tesla shares. Tesla stock price is too high, Musk tweeted on May 1, when the company was valued at $140 billion. Tesla's valuation isn't the only one in the electric vehicle space that has recently caused a stir among investors. Electric truck maker Nikola Motor Co. debuted on the Nasdaq on June 3 at a valuation of about $12 billion. The company, which has no revenue, had a market value of more than $23 billion on Wednesday, FactSet data showed. Meanwhile, Ford Motor Co. had a market cap of $27 billion. The momentum had caused short interest, a measure of the amount of stock held by traders betting the price would fall, to drop to 16.1 million shares, or 10.93% of shares available for trading. At the end of May, according to Dow Jones market data, that was the lowest level since July 2010, the month after the shares made their Nasdaq debut. By comparison, short interest hit a high of 43.6 million in May 2019, the data showed. Why is Tesla stock dropping? Shares of Tesla dropped as much as 12% Friday, before closing down 10.3% after show Elon Musk tweeted that the company's shares are priced too high. The company just days before reported a strong quarter, sending shares higher. Musk has had problems with the SEC for tweeting about the company's stock in the past. The company just days before reported a strong quarter, sending shares higher. Tesla stock was trading at 760.23 just before Musk tweeted, and then fell to a session low of 717.64, before falling even more. Musk has had problems with the SEC for tweeting about the company's stock in the past. Musk has since agreed to submit his public statements about Tesla's finances and other topics to vetting by its legal counsel. The agreement came after Musk's famous tweet in August 2018 saying he wanted to take Tesla private at $420 per share and that he had secured the funding to do so. It's unclear if Musk had had approval for his tweets Friday. When asked by the Wall Street Journal if the tweet was a joke or vetted, Musk replied, "No." The SEC declined to comment. The company just days before reported a strong quarter, sending shares higher. Tesla stock was trading at 760.23 just before Musk tweeted, and then fell to a session low of 717.64, before falling even more. Musk has had problems with the SEC for tweeting about the company's stock in the past. Musk has since agreed to submit his public statements about Tesla's finances and other topics to vetting by its legal counsel. The agreement came after Musk's famous tweet in August 2018 saying he wanted to take Tesla private at $420 per share and that he had secured the funding to do so. It's unclear if Musk had had approval for his tweets Friday. When asked by the Wall Street Journal if the tweet was a joke or vetted, Musk replied, "No." The SEC declined to comment.